the city of Adana, which is right near what was the epicenter of this devastating earthquake. And behind me, all of these people, they're among the more than 50,000 Turkish search and rescue workers who are deployed across the country to nightmarish scenes, just like this one. This morning, a massive international rescue effort underway in Turkey and Syria in a desperate race against time to find survivors. First responders facing major challenges on the ground, including below freezing temperatures with snow and rain falling across the sprawling disaster zone. In Turkey, dawn shining a harsh light on the destruction after rescue workers spent all night clawing through mountains of rubble. They're calling out, asking for help, says this survivor. How can we rescue them? Nobody has come since this morning. Racing to recover survivors. Speak up, this man yells into the rubble. Help, help, comes the reply. Meanwhile, in Syria, a country already suffering the effects of civil war, a rare rescue for a little girl a day after an earthquake destroyed her home. But rescuers on the ground here are pleading for more help, with some warning they don't have enough resources to handle the disaster. And as the death toll keeps rising, many worry precarious buildings will keep falling. Like yesterday, when structures fell hours after the initial tremors, and massive aftershocks continued throughout the day. This destruction is a daunting challenge for rescue workers, but now, more than a day after the initial tremors, help from around the world is finally arriving. Dozens of countries are sending rescue teams and aid packages. The U.S. is sending 2 teams, including a 79-person urban rescue unit, and these emergency workers from Los Angeles.
These men and women and these dogs of the LA County Fire Department are really going to go place themselves in harm's way to save lives, to dig people out.
Time may be running out, but there are still miracles amidst these ruins. Children, like this one in Turkey, spared a fate that has taken so many others. And guys, the situation across the border in Syria is even worse. That's where they've been facing a continuing civil war that has not ended, a worsening economic crisis, and now one of the worst earthquakes to have ever struck this region.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.